Making money from home sounds like one of those unattainable dreams. The reality is that making money from home and earning a pass to permanently work in your pajamas is much more attainable today than it's ever been. With the right business idea, a solid plan of action, and a lot of hard work, the great news is that it's not difficult to get started with making money from home. So in this video, we're going to take a look at top 10 ways to earn money online from home. Are you curious? Then sit back, relax, and watch the whole video. Number 10. Do affiliate marketing the smart way. Affiliate marketing is often claimed by shady sites that sell pyramid schemes that deliver fast cash for little effort as get-rich-quick schemes. Make no mistake, active affiliate marketers are putting a great deal of effort into creating an audience and quality content that will bring sustainable passive revenue. Affiliate marketing provides very low friction entry for the online selling of goods. While you need some type of audience to sell these products or services to, while doing so, you could make a significant amount of money from home. Such goods or services receive very high per click, which means you can potentially make a big profit on conversions by driving traffic to unique offers as long as you target the right interests, if you play your cards correctly. You can find affiliate marketing offers on sites like ClickBank, CJ.com, and Rakuten Linkshare, amongst many others. Search for the right offer and ensure that you present it to the right audience and don't spam people about it. Do your marketing ethically. Number 9. Podcasting. Another way of making money online is by hosting a podcast. I've got the Good Financial Sense podcast to go along with my blog, and I'm also using the platform to find new sponsors and adverts. I always remember having my first sponsor on the podcast and finding out that they were willing to pay me $8,000 just to have a short clip for 90 days at the start of each episode. This was incredibly exciting for me at the time because at first I wasn't sure I could monetize my podcast that much. However, there are lots of people on their podcasts making a lot more than me. Take the Entrepreneur on Fire podcast, hosted by John Lee Dumas. The podcast pulled in a net profit of over $400,000 in March 2018, according to the show's most recent sales report. Now that's crazy. The trick to achieving podcasting is to find your niche, grow an audience, and then find ways to monetize and interact with sponsors. It's not the simplest way to make money online because there is a lot of preparation going into podcast writing, recording, and editing, but it's always worth considering. Number 8. Book sales. Although the publishing sector used to be heavy in print, these days you can complete the entire process of writing, publishing, and selling a book online. Websites such as CreateSpace can allow you to upload and print your book without having a formal publisher, and you can also get your book on Amazon.com so that customers can purchase it there. A blogger called Joseph Hogue, whom I know has a popular blog, My Home Money Work, and a thriving book publishing company. Hogue wrote many books that he published online in order to establish a continuous stream of passive income. He says that he averages about 685 books sold a month to bring in revenue on average of about $1,857. Not bad, huh? When you think you'd like to write a book people would like to purchase, this is a good idea to consider because the startup costs will be small and you already have a computer and word processing software. Number 7. Virtual assistantship. A virtual assistant, VA, does all the business stuff from one's home. VAs essentially work with their customers remotely and handle aspects of their business that they're too busy to deal with themselves. You can choose to work as an employee while you're working as a virtual assistant, or you can set up your own business. VAs are trained, home-based professionals who provide administrative assistance to corporations, enterprises, and entrepreneurs. Telephone calls, email communication, internet analysis, data processing, scheduling meetings, editing, writing, bookkeeping, marketing, blog management, proofreading, project management, graphic design, tech support, customer service, event planning, and social media management are some of the main work areas. Becoming a VA may need some degree of training or briefing depending on your qualifications. However, if you have good communication skills and are skilled in using applications like MS Office, you can just sign up on sites like elance.com, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, Assistant Match, EA Help, Freelancer, Flex Jobs, People Per Hour, Unassist.me, Upwork, Vava Virtual Assistants, Virtual Staff Finder, Worldwide 101, ZipTask, Zirtual, and so on, and can earn handsome money. Number 6. Online tutoring. If you're an expert on a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring is a way of communicating remotely with students of all ages around the country to receive homework assistance and tutoring in the subjects you have demonstrated expertise for. One may sign up by creating a profile on websites such as Vedantu.com, MyPrivateTutor.com, BharatTutors.com, TutorIndia.net as an online tutor, and list the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, what your qualifications are, etc. Some of the platforms could give flexible and convenient time for online tutoring to function. Many platforms follow this process. They allow you to apply by filling out a basic form in which they would have to send their experts a teaching demo. When chosen, we will do documentation and profile creation, followed by training and webinar on induction. When you're attending a webinar, you'll be identified as a teacher and have your sessions conducted online. For every question they answer on Course Hero, tutors receive an average of $3. Course Hero tutors receive from $12 to $20 an hour and make an average of $300 a week. Number 5. Teach English to earn money from home. Did you know that you may be able to teach English online to children to earn money? VIP Kid is a company that allows you to work from home, create your own schedule, and earn $18 to $21 per hour. Many teachers are earning over $1,000 a month, all while teaching English online. They are currently in high need of teachers, too. This company has been featured on Forbes, CNBC, Wall Street Journal, Woman's Day, and more. Here's VIP Kid's teacher requirements. Applicant must have an undergraduate degree in any field. Any formal or informal teaching experience, such as mentoring, tutoring, coaching, or alternative education is fine. You need internet and a computer. Lesson plans, course materials, etc. are all provided by VIP Kid. You should have fun teaching engaged children. Number 4. Freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and WorkandHire.com are some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn thousands of dollars through these websites. Number 3. Blogging. Many people believe that blogging is just a waste of precious time, but they do not know that it can help you earn thousands of dollars in a single month. And the most important thing is that you can receive more if you're providing high-quality content for different websites. In the beginning, the blogger has to put a lot of effort into their work, and they must be constant in providing a good quality of work. But as soon as your content attracts a good amount of views and have traffic on your blog, you can start to make a lot of money. The thing that attracts a lot of people is that you do not need a lot of investment, but only a hosting site and a domain to start your blogging career. Number 2. YouTube. This is another platform that can help people to earn a hell of a lot of money. You can make your online channels on YouTube and upload videos over it. Many YouTubers is being paid thousands of dollars just to advertise a product or service or give reviews regarding that. Also, gamers can make their own YouTube channels and go live on YouTube when they start to play their games. It can increase their views on their videos, thus making their channel monetize the channel and get paid for every view. Number 1. Online selling. Another method which is very common to earn money by working online is by selling products or goods online. It's what people call entrepreneurship, and it's just like setting up a small business that can reach up to any level, but after working for it tirelessly. The main thing is, considering it a business, you have to first invest in running this business, but after the business is set, you can earn much more money than working from 9 to 5. If you want to start an online business, first you must know what things require a minimum investment and are very popular among ordinary people, as they are your real-time customers.